Hi, Emily here. I'm making a blood orange curd that is just as tart and sweet as lemon curd, but with an orange twist and a darker color. Zest the citrus to set aside and add with the shortening once your mixture has thickened. Only heating it shortly will make your zest pop in the curd without losing its color or making it too bitter. You can replace the blood orange with any citrus you have, or if you'd like something different, grapefruit works really well. Once you've juiced the citrus, strain the seeds. I like to use a larger strainer to keep some of the pulp. This is completely a texture preference. If you prefer a smoother curd, use a fine mesh strainer. Add the juice to the sugar and salt to heat up before tempering the starch mixture with the heated liquids. Once you've added all your ingredients and have a pudding-like consistency, let your curd cool and refrigerate overnight before using. Top off your favorite dessert, fill a cake, or scoop it on toast. I'm positive any way you have it, you'll really enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching, and follow for more recipes.